Hello guys, and welcome back to the channel, where today guys, I'll be showing you how to track order on Foodpanda. So guys, the first thing that you of course need to do is go to the Google Play Store or the App Store and download the Foodpanda application. After that, you just need to go and log in or register to Foodpanda. And now guys, that we got that out of the way, let's see what we actually have in front of us here. So basically, here we have in the top left corner the address and the search bar where you can go and search for some foods. And in the bottom of the screen, we have 4 tabs. We have the home tab, the shops, search, and the at the end account tab. But now guys, let's see how you can actually go and track your order on Foodpanda. First of all, you need to go and order something, which you can do by clicking on, for instance, let's go pizza. You can go check out the restaurant that you want. And now you just need to go and click on the plus button on the item that you would like to buy. After that, go back to the main screen, and in the top right corner, you will have your shopping cart. Here, you just need to go and buy from here the food that you put in your shopping cart. But now let's see how you can then track your order. You can do it by clicking on the bottom right corner again, click on the account. And here, out of all of these options, we have orders, favorites, and addresses. You just need to go and click on the orders tab. Click there, and here you'll have all of your orders that you can go and then track. So guys, that'll be everything for this video. I hope that you found this video informative and entertaining, guys. If you did, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel, and put the notifications on, as guys, this really helps us grow our channel. So if you have a few seconds, it will be pretty cool if you could do this for us. So guys, as I said, that'll be everything for this video. I hope that you enjoyed it. And guys, as always, I'll be seeing you in the next video on this channel. Bye guys.